Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to make garlic and thyme potatoes using an air fryer that we had just recently purchased.
And this will be our very first recipe using it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it actually turned out really good. So you're going to want to slice your potatoes and soak them in water for about 30 minutes before doing this next step. So you're going to want to add olive oil.
And right now you're just showing the actual ingredients that we need for this recipe.
Yep, which is olive oil, garlic salt, thyme, and of course your sliced potatoes.
Yeah.
So then I forgot to mention, I'm eyeballing this. So there's really no measurements to any of the ingredients. I went a little lighter on the garlic salt just because I didn't want it to be so salty.
Alright.
So after adding all of your ingredients, you're going to want to mix everything up. Of course, I'm using gloves because it's just nasty.
Yeah. Always want to use gloves.
Yep. So then, after you mix it up, take your gloves off so it's not so nasty. Look at the big space in that air fryer. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So then you want to put it in as much of a single layer as you can. You can overlap a little bit and it'll still come out delicious. So then set your air fryer for 365 degrees for 20 minutes.
And then we'll see what happens.
And let her go.
Yeah. So then 20 minutes later.
20 minutes later, and oh my goodness, aren't those gorgeous?
They look really delicious.
They were.
Yeah.
So then I probably could have used a spatula, but I decided to use tongs.
Yeah. Any last thoughts on these? Are they healthy?
Yes, kind of, because you're not using as much oil as you normally would if you fried them in a pan.
Right. So that's the benefits of using
An air fryer.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I thought of something. How many potatoes did we use for this recipe?
I actually used 2 baker's potatoes, thinly sliced.
So just 2 baker's potatoes, thinly sliced.
And peeled.
And peeled. And soaked for 30 minutes.
Yep.
Alright, and then the rest of the ingredients.
Yep. And then the rest of the ingredients that go in the recipe.
Alright, so that's just about do it for this one. Like
Yep.
and subscribe.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.